Hello, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. I don't know, I just wanted to do something today, so I figured let's play. And the other day, oh my god, I don't know what made me do this, but my eyebrows, they were growing out. I was really just proud of them, and I would do my big bushy brows. And I watched this video where this girl, she trims her brows herself. So I decided to trim my brows myself, and I trimmed them. Yeah, I really did. And now they're like this. So, let's try to make them look bushy again. I really like this spoolie on this Wonder Beauty brow thing we got. And I mean, I like the pencil too. You know, it's a good color for my brows. But I like using this, the Brow Blade from Urban Decay. And I have a couple of different shades. And yeah, let's just do like an updated brow routine, I suppose, and then maybe I will play with makeup after that. But yeah, let's do the brows here real quick. So when I do my brows, I like to have a big bushy brow. I don't care if it's all the way filled in or whatever, but I just want, you know, I always put a few flecks of hairs through. Let's just start. I have these two shades. One is in Brunette Betty and one is in Brown Sugar. The Brown Sugar is the one I like. I actually started with this one and it's way too dark, so I feel like this is a good one for me for now. This is the one I like. But it doesn't have a spoolie, so I'm using this spoolie from Wonder Beauty. Oh my gosh, Shari. Let's just brush our brows up. Brush them out. Because you know they're snarly and stuff, right? Just kidding. It was like a total dad joke. A mom joke. Take this, this is just from Lancôme. You can use any kind you want, but it's just a little mascara primer. You know, a little sample size I got from Sephora. And it's called the Lancôme Cils Booster XL. You can use any mascara primer. And I go through my brows. Because I always want my brows to be thick. And I like the soap brow. But you know what? It's another whole step. And this way, I just see it's just a lot easier, a lot quicker. And it really does work. It works in thickening them up. And it works in helping them stand up. Like, you know, at the front here. I'll do one brow for you guys. So before that dries, I give it about 20 seconds or so to kind of dry down a little, because it dries up and the hairs all stick together, so it's kind of hard to comb through them. Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, and it's in shade Haze. It's like a light brown shade. Lightly go through them with my brow gel to cover up the white. And you see already how thick that looks. Some days when I'm going shopping or whatever, me and Baldy, I'll just leave it like that. That's how I'll go. Just like that. Like on a no makeup day. If you want a little more than that, that's where this comes in handy. I take this, the end of it, and let's just define it a little. So I kind of tilt my head back so I can see what I'm doing down in my mirror. And I just go over here. See that little line I'm making? See? It's not even a line, it's just you're defining it. And when I get back here, I don't look up or nothing like that, because then when you look down, it's going to be, you know, it's not going to be even. So just relax your eye. And just keep defining it. Okay, just like that. And then see right there, there's some holes. Just go back in and fill it. in a little more. You can see, you know, the skin. So up here, just kind of fill it in. And over here, I'm not really good with explaining what I'm doing, but I hope you can, you know, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just not really good at explaining. I'll have to try to get better at that, but I'm more of, you know, show you how to teacher than I am a explaining teacher. Add a little more definition. Take this other end, this little end here. Isn't that so cool? So then I would come into my brow like this, and I'm just gonna make little hairs. So I just give it a good shake so the product gets into the pen. And my arm is resting on my table. Just go in and make little hair strokes wherever you feel like you need them. And start bringing it back. Yeah, up in here too. Okay, so there is a brow. Let it dry down a little bit. And then go back in with your spoolie and just lightly go over it. I have a darker brow gel, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown. It says soft brown, but this soft brown is really dark. And I use this towards the back of the brow because I want the back of my brow darker than the front of my brow. I always do the back of my brow is darker. I did buy this for my full brow. And when I put it on my full brow, it's just so dark. Just looks way dark. Like way dramatic. I go to about there. Sometimes I'll even go a little closer and just really lightly go over it. Just like that. Just what I do. You know, like I told you guys, I have a lot of brow products, and I like to do a lot of different things to my brows. So this is darker. This is the brown sugar. This is what we used already. This one is darker. This is Brunette Betty. And Brunette Betty. See the brow? I don't really need it, but I mean, I suppose I could just to show you how dark this is. I'm gonna turn it around, use the flick part just in here. I know that's a lot to a brow, you know, there's a lot of different products, but like one day I went and I got this, and then in Brunette Betty, the darker one, and I noticed it was too dark, so I went back, but I wanted to keep it, so I went back, I bought the next one, and then the next time I went and rebought this, and then I seen this, and I wanted to try it, and I thought it was light enough for my whole brow, but then I realized it was dark, so I just use it towards the end. Those are the products I use for my eyebrows. So basically, 2 shades of gel for the front and the back, and 2 shades of the eyebrow products for the front and the back. And then I use this primer, which is free. I got it free at Sephora. So they're both done. I never compare my brows because they're never the same. They're completely strangers. Actually, I got a little bit more work to do on this side. Brown sugar. That's what this is called. It looks curved right here. Curved. I want that straight. Like that. I'm gonna quit messing with them because then I'll be plucking them, and I'm gonna continue sitting here. I'm gonna do some makeup. But for now, here's my brows, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day wherever you are. Have fun with your makeup. Do your brows how you want to do them. Don't worry about who likes them, who doesn't like them, whatever. You're the one that's wearing the makeup you're wearing. So have fun in the process. Have fun with your makeup, and don't worry about those judgmental people. Thank you for watching. Thanks for visiting my channel. Hope you subscribe or stay subscribed. Whatever it is. But I'm gonna go do some more makeup, so I gotta let you guys go. See you in the next video. Bye!